So after making the movie theater popcorn, of course I couldn't resist after eating all that, making another batch of kettle corn. So here we have 1/2 cup of popcorn. Here we have about 1.5 tablespoons of regular butter. And then we're going to put in about 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then 2 to 3 or up to 4 tablespoons of white sugar. Generous dash of salt. And then the cover. So with the whirly pop, the platinum version, which I have right here, comes with the glass lid, so you can actually see inside. Got to be careful with the steam vents though, because oil may shoot out and burn you. So I always point them away. And then also, just to clarify, there's 2 of these little agitator or stirrers that it comes with. The flat one, which is more like a paddle instead of a wire, is the one that you want to use for sticky popcorn like we're making right now. And this one is for savory popcorn. I think it's done. Oishi. So even though today we made this with Earthbound's butter, it tastes pretty close to regular butter popcorn, but if you want the real thing, make sure you use real butter. Very good though.